Hi guys, welcome back to the my channel e-commerce hosting. How to choose a hosting that grow with you if you are running or launching an online store in 2025. Using the right e-commerce hosting is not just about keeping your website online. It's about setting for the foundation for long-term growth, security, speed, and sale. So in this video, I am breaking down exactly how to choose a hosting that grow with your business and keep customer coming back, whether you are using WooCommerce, Shopify, Magneto, or another platform. The right host will give you scalability, fast page load, high uptime, and iron cloud security, all which are crucial for converting traffic into revenue. First, focus on performance. E-commerce site with even 1 second daily in load time can lose up to 7% in conversion. So make sure your host offer a solid state drive SSD board in catching a global content delivery network CDN and server side optimization tailored for your platform. Next, think about uptime and support. Your store should be accessible 24/7, especially during holiday season and sale. So look for provider with 8 less 99.97% uptime guarantee and around the clock expert support. While understanding ASE commercial issue like payment gateway error or SSL conflict is as your store grow. Your hosting should grow with you, which mean looking for a flexibility plan that allow for user upgrade from shared hosting to VPS cloud or dedicated solution, so you are never stuck paying too much too soon or scrambling when traffic peak. Security is non-negotiable in e-commerce. You need for free SSL certificate, daily backup, dose protection, firewall, and malware scanning all include in your hosting package to keep customer data safe and maintenance PCI compliance. And you forget ease of use, especially if you are solo founder or is small team. Look for host that traffic intuitive dashboard, one click install and integration with a popular tool like StripPaper and your shipping provider. Popular hosting provider like SiteGround will host and hosting offer beginner friendly plan optimized for e-commerce, while more reviews platform like VWP engaging Nexus or Kinsta offer powerful manage hosting designed to handle a heavy product catalog, complex plugin, and high volume check cost. Ultimately, the best e-commerce hosting is one that meet your where you are and scale with your traffic grow product line expand and a customer demand more speed, security, and reliability. Want to personalized hosting recommendation based on your store size or platform. Drop a commerce value and I help you choose the perfect fit. And this help make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future type or grow your e-commerce business smarter, faster, and with more confidence. Thank you for watching.